Hello, my people. How na day? I greet the house from Untouchable Mama. My people, this one where I carry come today. Many of una don't see the video for social media. As I see my heart come dey beat one kind. Say, oh God, which kind thing be this one? Person go get mama. You know if he take care of that mother. Wetin dey happen? The thing it pay me I believe say go still pay many people, but I can't still reason now my people. Now no one thing for this life. Believe they take and make parable say ara biomo or more de bioma. Yes, that is true. When I watch that video, I can't say, oh God, like say my mother still dey alive. You know, I go remember say person still get mother like this. You know, if he take care. Then I can't remember something. Can't they think of many things. Say some women dey, some mothers dey, some parents dey. They no take care of their children. They no care whether they are alive or not. They just born them just to say I born. Like they be. Some parents be like that. If you see pikin where they say, oh, my mother or my father, you really know say yes. Then what those pikin, you know say before he grow up, courage as he be so, you really know say his parents were there for him. You know say yes, the parents they there for him. You understand? Because that one you know say he get the feeling of parents. Because pikin wey get feeling of parents, you no fit leave the parents like this. Now understand? Because some parents dey, some parents they just born you, say they carry you for 9 months, they born you, just finish. Now their work now be that one. The rest of things you no concern them. As you take grow, as you take go school, as you take do this one, they no care, no concern them. They will just like abandon those children. And when those children can't grow finish, say they don't come be somebody. When they'll come be somebody, they will say, wait till concern you, not concern them again. Now let me see, say it they happen for many people like this, where they will say they don't old now, they need their children. Their children tell them say they don't need you anymore. The time where we need you, where you dey. We dey see some for social media now. Some day now, where their children dey for, where their children dey for one corner, not concern them, they not even care. When they don't old like this woman now, then they'll come to say, I need my pikin. My pikin abandon me. He no want give me anything. He no want treat me. The time where the pikin dey small, madam, where you dey? You see? Now it concern say if you born pikin because you don't know what it go be tomorrow. Not to say that pikin, now so you do this one, or maybe you don't marry another man, the man because of say the man no accept your, you no accept that your son or your daughter. You will just abandon her for another person. What about tomorrow? When you're done old, who you go come they look for? You go say you dey find your pikin they go. Now my pikin oh, now me born now. He no want care. He no want take care of me oh. What about waiting pass? What about waiting pass? It still dey happen. Now they cause all these things because normal person where he really be say he get brain, he get heart, he no live in mother for this condition. There is something under. Now some say they talk my own. There is something under because mother will suffer, carry you for 9 months, he born you, he train you, he do everything, stand for you. You not feel live from this condition. Now so me I dey talk my own. Now my opinion because mother will dey there, where you grow up, where you small, where do everything for you. You not feel live for this condition. You must do everything to make sure say she dey okay till in the last day of her life. My brothers and sisters, those one where they throw away pikin, where say, I just dey my own now, and na my life I want live now. Tomorrow you go be like this woman, you go come dey cry, nobody go help you. Because the time where the pikin dey small, you not care, you not even know whether he eat or he go school, he go bath or he go do this one, you not know. Then when the pikin go come grow up, it can't be somebody, and you now you can't old. Now then now you can't say, I be get pikin, I born pikin. It's too late to cry that time. It's too late to cry because pikin when they dey small, if the love not dey there for the parents, say the parents or the love of the parents not dey there, forget about that one. You not go know whether you dey alive, whether you dey exist. Now person wey trainer wey make her come be somebody, now that one na can be father, na can be mother. Not be you wey carry am for belle wey not dey there the time wey he need you not dey there. It dey happen for some of our women, for some of our men, when they leave their children, they think say tomorrow not day. Now this one na be the tomorrow where we dey talk about. Otaye hole na be this one. When you don't old, you don't come dey look for your pikin. It not dey there for you again. Forget, because the time when they grow come, you not dey there for them. So now so, because as I watch this video, the thing pay me well. I can say how person go in, because as the woman say they talk, and say the pikin they abroad. Person wey pick the family mother dey alive, you dey abroad. What it be €100 where your mother no fit chop for your money? There is something wrong. Now some me they talk my own because I see some comments where then they say I wish time bad pikin. There is something wrong. You know fit dey abroad. You know fit dey life. Say you dey abroad. Your mother go be like this. No, it's not done. You know fit. Maybe the mother not trade them. You not care about them. And they say grow up. You not care nothing. Now when they come suffer, come enter abroad. Now you come talk say I get pikin. They no one care for me. They no go care. It's normal thing. They no go care whether you there, you not there, because the time when they dey small, whether they there, then you know whether they dey alive or they eat or you don't know. Some the same thing they go still do to that person. The same thing. It's vice because wetin you do me today, no worry, I go grow come out. Then they talk say, Aonaya wo that is as we say do small pikin the time where they small, and now that I go say they look you when you go grow up, because the young shall grow. They go still grow up now. They will come still be somebody. So if you get pikin, not true where I say wetin concern you, you don't know wetin that pikin go be tomorrow. You don't know. Because when you're old, now then you can say, hey, I really get pikin where I born. It's too late to cry for you. It's too late to cry. It's too late to cry. They're not gonna care again for you. Even though say you they shout. People, some people when they talk say no matter what you do, now see your mother, not be so. Not be so. Some pikin is there because you not there inside his shoe. You not there inside his pain. You don't know what he passed through. I know say na mother na he born you, but you not there. You don't know what he passed through for his brain. The time when he need the father or need the mother, they not there. Then another person na they there for them. So therefore, now that another person, now you know as a father or as a mother. You wait just say now you born and carry on for belle. He don't know you again because that love not there. That wetin gum una together before, you know they there again because of say you just come out you make, because some women there where you just go marry another man. He go just think say na life na dead day. The pikin wey fair born before, he no go care whether he go eat, whether he don't go eat. He wrong. Maybe he leave her for his sister, he leave her for his mama, for his grandmother, or he leave her for the father of the family of the father. He no care again. Then later when the pikin go come grow up, he don't come be somebody. The woman come dey cry, please forgive me. He go forgive you. He go even tell you say, no be that one in there again. But as for me, I dey see you as a stranger. Now so it be. He go come dey look you as stranger. He no dey look you as a father or as a mother. He no dey look you like that because nothing can't go on again. Nothing dey there again. But now you born now, but nothing dey there. So my brothers and sisters, some of them where they behave like that. Mona watch this woman where Mona I'll put the video, Mona here as the woman said they talk. Mona be careful because of our children. Now make some women go say, for me, for my children go suffer, make I suffer the suffer. Later I go they enjoy. Those women where they talk like that, and God will bless you. Those father where they do like that, and God will bless you because una know say tomorrow una go old. Then those children are then go take care of una. And those children go they remember say the time where they grow come. The suffer when my father suffer, the suffer when my mother suffer, take train me, take make me come be somebody. I go make sure say I wipe all its tears come out. Now so it be my brothers and sisters. If you believe, you believe. If you don't believe, now your old age, now he go tell you. That time now you go know say you get pikin. That your pikin no come know say he get mama wey really born her or he get father wey really born her. It's too late to cry. So my brothers and sisters, now wetin me see for this one, everybody get your opinion, me get my opinion, you get your opinion. So me una not watch this video, now come they say, now come they throw insult to me. For my own, now wetin I see be that way, if you throw insult to me, I go block you because mother wey stand for a pikin no fit abandon her. No matter how, he no fit abandon her. He go still remember the time when they grow come out, the time when the mama they tell her say, come go school, come eat, come do this one. He go still remember all those loving things. Mother wey no care, pikin no still care for her when he go old, when he go they call her. And so it be my people.
Mama swear. This one agbo. Abe me bi ewo bi agbon, abe me. Abe condition is now. The my boy no efejo me ya wu ya fe owo di awu ni wu efejo me mu me ari e ni ari check up obi je blessing ogwende ga mu mejo wo pe no kezi go lele ne kere na ire do iya iwu na so adiro nigbe gije na ni mudia ogwegun ya mukia obogun ya kia mi mo no koli me iye be no gbe bo ikia be he imame no gba oge me bi awu ni wu iya adiro nigbe ni do wujo wa ibi agbon wa da me ho ate bi omo na ri eno re gbo mo iri bi enia a blessing owin mo bi ni ari ewe bo owo ne re gba oge me re blessing oro sote owi mo ri azen ge blessing oro mo di e mo ji ge blessing oro owi mo ri ti e mo ji ọmọ na ri egun me na mo mani na ogun ya awe mi e blessing na mo me ni ore obi eni me si mi na ri ene
wala o kini sambo ma be ya je ti akanda no do epi
wala wo kini ma bo ri aje wa gun me ta ma o ni to gba oge le e ti kan ri wu kini ma bo ri aje ma bo gbo ma bo kini ri aje wa gun me yin ya o ni to gba oge le e ti kan wu